Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm C Slays, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous cranberry fall subtle glam makeup look. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And there's also a tutorial out for this gorgeous high puff, okay? So this whole thing is a look, it's a vibe. So just be sure to, if you want to get this hair, if you want to get this makeup, make sure you stay tuned. So I went ahead and did my brows. We're going to start by priming our lids with LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Light Ivory. And we're going to blend that out. Okay, so just keep blending. And we're going to start with the Afrique palette by Juvia's Place. And yeah, we're going to go in with the cranberry shade, and I believe its name is Benchu. And we're going to pack that all on our lids. Yeah, so just going in with that cranberry shade, packing that, because that's the start of the show for today. Like, that's the start of the show. And now we're going to go in with that brown color, that brown shade in the palette, and we're going to put that on top of the cranberry color we just packed. And then going in with the Nubian palette, we're going to use that light orangey shade as our transition shade, so that way it can tie and like connect all of the colors that we just packed on our lid. So yes, just going and applying that orangey transition shade right underneath our brow. And now we're back in the Afrique palette, and we're going to pack on more of that cranberry to just, blend and correct the blend as we see fit. Going back in with that transition shade and just tying it all together. And now we're going back into the Afrique palette, and I believe that shade is like Fifi. And now we're going to just apply that to our crease area. I didn't use concealer to cut this crease. Like, I just literally packed it on there. I just packed it on there because I wanted this to be I wanted it to be quick and easy. So yes, just packing that cranberry sparkly shade on there. Now we're going to go back in the Afrique palette using the color Kohl, that gold shade, and putting that in our inner corner. And now we need lashes and wing liner, period. We're gonna get some close-ups so you can see what this eye is looking like. She's looking blended, she's looking cute. Okay, real fall, real cranberry. Boom, both eyes are now done. Okay. Now we're gonna go in with our foundation, I'm going in with NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop in the color Cappuccino, and my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast. And I primed my face, so all of those products, like my primer, is going to be in the description box. So now we got to blend that, honey. Blend for dear life, okay? Like, blend for dear life. And boom, now we're going to go on to contour. And starting with under my eyes, contouring. Correcting your wing liner if you see that there's some slip-ups, because we're human and nobody's perfect. So just creating those triangles. And I got a round face, so I really be trying to, contour for dear life, okay? Now I'm going back in the Nubian palette, and I'm using the dark shade to contour the outs, like the outside. And it look a little crazy, but it's gonna blend and it's gonna be okay. So don't worry if it looks like, oh, is it too dark? It's gonna be fine, because you're gonna blend it out and it's gonna make sense. So just applying that dark shade from the Nubian palette, blend that out. Ooh, okay. Now we blending it out for real, and boom. See, it's okay. It was gonna be okay. Now moving on to lips. I thought I wanted to do a brown lip, a nude lip, but I'm like, you know what? Let's spice this up and let's use purple. So I ended up using the True Matte in the shade, I think it's Clairvoyant, and it gave this beautiful purple look, and I really felt like that lip just tied it all together. And period, like, we are all done. thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Go make sure you check out this hair video, okay? Make sure you check out the hair video. And yes, told y'all we was gonna slay. We was gonna slay together. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this fall glam makeup look.